right. You feel okay? Tell me. How do you feel today?
Good.
Good? Me too. So Miss Tanya would like to ask you a few questions. You have been learning about plants and how plants grow, the different part of the plants, and also the process of how you can make your seeds grow, right? Do you remember? So I would like to know, and we would like to remember and retell, what do you know in words about plants and planting? Can you tell me with words? What can you remember about that? Friends.
Plants are gentle.
Plants are what?
Gentle.
Plants are
Gentle.
gentle. So you have to treat plants very gently. Good afternoon. How are you, Mr. Benjamin? Okay. See you tomorrow. Okay? And thank you. Yes, you're right. Plants are to be treated very gentle, right? Okay. What else do you know about plants? Can you tell me before you go? Okay, that's fine. Thank you for sharing. Can you shake my hand? Good
I know
afternoon.
butterflies. Butterflies are nice. Butterflies are nice.
And you're welcome. Have a good afternoon.
Butterflies are nice.
Haley, nice raising your hand. Good job. Can you tell me what you remember about plants or planting?
You get seeds and you put it in the soil, and then you give it sunshine, and when it gets sunshine, it goes into a beautiful flower.
Very good, Haley. So you are telling me in words what you remember about the process of planting. You say plant, right? Plant or planting. You take, what did you say? You take the seeds.
The seed, and then you put in water, and then you sunshine, and
Water.
then it turns beautiful flower, and then it will grow in a beautiful. Maybe it has a rose seed, it's gonna turn to a rose, and it doesn't have a rose seed, it's gonna turn into a sunflower.
Wow. Then it turned into a beautiful flower.
And
So what are those words that you remember? I see you remember plant, planting, seeds, water, then grow beautiful flowers. Anything else that you would like to tell me about it?
As somebody grows a flower and somebody is killing it, we say stop.
If
And if he's killing it more, say stop it.
if somebody wants to
Break
your flowers,
and then there's no more flowers for you, and you have vegetables, and somebody will break it, and you're gonna say stop that.
You're gonna say stop.
And then you're only gonna eat meat.
you're only gonna eat
You're
meat.
not gonna eat carrots, lettuce,
And what are those that you're talking about? What are those? Carrots?
and
What type of food is that?
lettuce is a vegetable.
Vegetables, very good. So you
And a
also
carrot
remember,
is a vegetable.
you also remember vegetables. Very good, Haley. Thank you for sharing that with us. How about my two other friends? What do you remember about plants and planting?
Butterflies go on a rose.
Butterflies goes on flowers.
And
Very good. Butterflies. You
Miss
remember
Tanya.
butterflies.
Miss Tanya,
Yes, Helen. I see you raising your hand.
a bumblebee collects nectar to make honey.
Bumblebees, very good. Bumblebees is another word that we can remember because you have been learning about a lot of things. For example, I have here some of the books that you have been read with your teacher. For example, here, from seed to plant, right? You remember? From seed to plant. How do you go from being a seed to becoming a plant? Can we take a look? Come on, everybody. So we can find out more of the vocabulary that you have been learning, right? What are this? What is this?
I know.
Yes?
It's plants.
They are plants. Very good. And we also mentioned that already. How about what you see inside the bottles? What's that?
Me.
Yes, go ahead.
There are flowers, rocks, sticks, leaves, and flowers.
And flowers. How about you, Leilani? What do you see?
I see the seeds are gonna make the plants grow.
The seeds are gonna grow and they're gonna turn into a plant, right? Any type of plant, right? Okay, very good. How about you, Michaela? ¿Qué tú ves aquí? ¿Qué es eso? What are those? ¿Tú puedes decirme en inglés o en español? ¿Qué es eso?
Seeds.
Seeds, good job.
And
What are those?
leaves.
Leaves, very good. And these?
Sticks.
Sticks, awesome. How about if we take a look at the different flowers, seeds, sticks, or branches? That's how we call them. Those are branches from, where are the branches? Where you can find branches? Or
In sticks.
sticks? Where you can find them? Where?
On the floor.
On the floor. And where else?
In the garden.
In the garden. So this is a website that you can actually tell mommy and daddy. You can watch it in your own computer and at home. This is the Botanical Garden website. So you can see all you done, but you know what? You can see it here in your classroom. So you can see the trees. Do you see the flowers growing on the trees? It's beautiful, especially the flowers. Right? Hi. Yes.
I have a computer and a home.
You do have a computer. Excellent. I love computers, and especially if you can find more information about what you're learning in school, you can also learn it at home. Puedes estudiar en la casa y acá. So before we finish our conversation today about the words that you learned during planting and plants, can you come with me so we can sit together? And look what I have here. I need a helper. Somebody who can help me. Very good. Haley, can you go to the art center and bring some crayons? Leilani, can you go with Haley and bring some pencils? And Michaela, can you help me to distribute the paper at the table? Ayúdame, pon uno para cada amigo en la mesa. Uno. Y dime cuántos amigos somos. ¿Cuántos? How many? Thank you. How many we need? Okay. Thank you. So this is what we're going to do. You're going to sit down any chair that you would like to sit on. Choose where you want it to sit, next to who? Leilani, can you please go sit down next to Haley? I would like her to help you if you need help. Okay? Put the same Thank you. You can sit down next to her as well. Thank you. Now, since we were talking about plants and seeds, and I know that you remember a few words about what you learned, can you tell me on a picture which words you can remember? We talk about many words, but can you draw a picture or you can write down the words that you remember? Okay? Take a pencil, take a pen, take a crayon, take a marker, anything that you would like to use to put it inside the box on your sheet. Okay? As soon as you finish, you're going to write your name. Okay? Ready? All right.
You get ready for the
about you, Michaela?
The rain.
The rain?
Yeah.
Very good. How about you, Leilani?
I made a flower.
You made a flower? Very good. So you remember the word flower? What else do you remember?
Next, rain comes fall.
Then, the next, what else the next, Michaela? You said?
I said rain make the rain go heavier, heavier, heavier.
Heavier, heavier, and heavier. That's another word. Very good.
And it makes
Can you tell me more about your drawing, Haley?
the rain is going on the flower and it grows, and then the sunshine is going on the flower to grow.
And then the sunshine.
Goes on the flower and it is gonna grow beautiful.
Then it's going to grow beautiful. Very good. Who else would like to tell me something about their drawing? Michaela, do you like to have a turn? Or Leilani?
I need to do it all over again.
It's okay. You have more paper here if you want to draw all over again. That's okay. But can I take a look at what you already did? Yeah? Thank you. Oh, wow. You know what, Leilani? I see the flower. And what is on top? What is this?
The rain.
That's
The rain in the sky.
the rain in the sky. Good job. You know what? I'm going to use this.